Guys, today I will be teaching you how to draw a SAS and this one. As you can see guys, hang on, wait. So this is how you draw. As you can see, my paper is empty. There, you see it, red? Yeah, bros, you see it, bros, red is bros. Okay, so this is how you draw it. Very hard, but please subscribe and like, okay? Just kidding, bros. So first, you need to draw the head. Flashlight out. So I need a flashlight. Brand out. Just kidding, bros. You need the head for these. Always keep on, bros. You make it ugly. Upgrade, erase. After a couple hours, yeah. As you can see, it's very nice now, red. So first you make it ugly. Then your legs. You make sure you include the socks if you wanted. You make it little. Then you make the shoes like a combat, like this. Or if you want any shoe style, then anything you want. If you wanted it good. So you make shadow here. And surprisingly, guys, it's very nice drawing. See? The armor and anything. As you can see the weapon, and for A1, you can change anything you wanted it. See, it's in my shadow, my hand, gloves. You can make any, wait, it's not straight. You can make any weapon with that. And make sure you have this thing, because that's the ammo per takeout and your sides. If you wanted to edit it, you can do it like this. See, edit. They have Skype now. Thanks for watching and peace.